Hey, welcome back. So I thought I'd make one last, sausage recipe. And I've done about, 4 if you include the Euro cups. That was kind of a sausage-like thing to do. So today I'm gonna make a chorizo, a Mexican-style chorizo, which is usually looser, a little bit spicier. You'll see. I'm gonna pretty much throw the kitchen sink on this. So I also learned a new technique as I was reading and researching and all that stuff. I'll show you. You'll see as we go. So I'm gonna start off with, I got about 3 cloves of garlic in here, tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of paprika. You're gonna see a lot of chilies today. Tablespoon of ground ancho. You've seen me make this before. I get the whole pods. They send them to me. I dry them out a little bit more and then grind them up. For a little bit of heat, I've got a teaspoon of cayenne. Now we'll get into the, we'll call it the herbal components of it. I've got a tablespoon of cumin and a teaspoon of coriander. These I toasted off. I got them whole, toasted them off, and then ground them up myself. Mexican oregano. It's about a tablespoon. And again, this is, it is dry. I'm okay with that. One tiny little, curveball we'll call it. I got 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. Finally, a teaspoon of black pepper. The good stuff. And let's get some liquid in there. 1 ounce, 2 tablespoons, 6 teaspoons, red wine vinegar. And a tablespoon of water. Let's mix this up. So this is that technique that I saw. And essentially you hydrate your dried spices just a little bit. And it makes sense. Good. Now, pound of ground pork. Mix it all up. Now, if you were to grind this up, I would do the spice mixture and then add the spice mixture as you're grinding the pork. But I wanted to do this, simple. Make your own chorizo, but without having to buy a whole lot of extra equipment. Okay, make sure it's good and mixed. Okay, I'm going to throw this in the refrigerator for about a half an hour and then, we'll make something from it. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, here we go. I made some chorizo, fairly easy to make. And I made a frittata with some potatoes, some chorizo, a little bit of onion, and served it with a little bit of this herb salad. Got a little arugula, got some parsley and some cilantro in there. It's a nice little meal. I'll see you next time.